So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita ang mga throwback dates or photos sa ating Google Map. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung Google Maps na gagamitin natin. So ayan guys, i-open na natin yung ating Google Maps. And dito guys, mag-search lang kayo ng location or lugar kung saan nyo gustong makita yung mga throwback dates or photos dito sa Google Maps. So, for example guys is, mag-open ako ng isang location. And ayan guys, i-view lang natin yung photo. And pagka-view guys ng photo, kung makikita nyo, ganito yung lalabas. So, pwede nyo siyang i-move. Pinutin nyo lang yung arrow button para gumalaw siya. So, ayan. Para makita nyo kung saan nyo specific gustong makita yung isang lugar. And then, after nyan guys, kung mapapansin nyo, dito sa mitang baba, may makikita kayo dyan na a year ago, and then, see more dates. So, yun yung itatap ninyo guys, yung see more dates. And then, automatic, pagkatap nyan guys, lalabas na dito yung mga taon or year kung kailan nakunan yung location na yon. So, ito yung mga throwback or dating nakunan ni Google Maps. So, ito guys is nakunan nung April 2024. So, itong isa is nakunan nung May 2023. So, itong isa is June 2022. August 2016. And then, last is yung July 2015. So, itatap nyo lang guys yung photo. And makikita nyo guys yung itsura niya nung July 2015. So, ganito yung itsura nung view sa Google Maps. So, noong 2016 guys is ganito yung itsura niya. And then, June 2022. So, tap nyo lang guys yung year or date. Kung kailan nyo gustong makita yung location na yon. So, ayan. Meron kasi dito guys na 5 year. So, ibig sabihin, 5 beses nakunan ni Google Maps yung location na to. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba makita ang mga throwback dates or photos dito sa ating Google Map. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day